for the leg on that side is the front leg. And you're going to step back with the rear leg, and we're going to come into the lunge position. So you just step that left foot back into a lunge position. That's position 1. Now you're going to windshield wiper that hip here. So your knee's pointing out, and this hand finds the base. Your eyes stay on the kettlebell. And that's position 2. Now you're going to take the rear leg and extend it in front. That's going to be position 3. And now you drop your hips down to the ground. That's position 4. And then you slide, lower your body under control to the side first, and then finally to the flat back. Position 5. Now we reverse it. From here, you transition up to this opposite hand. As you come up and you post, that rear hand is fully extended, coming up, position 1. Press into the ground, raise your hips, position 2. Take that front leg, lift it, and bring it back into a wide L position, position 3. Now your body comes upright. As your body comes upright, that rear hip is going to windshield wiper, position 4. You're in the lunge, step it up, position 5.